RescoliByCarlo born? Was construed with the idea of waste reduction. How to upcycle furniture instead of throwing away, but giving it a new look, a new dress to fit in your environment. The idea of Rescoli was to safeguard the environment first and foremost. In fact, the materials we use, mainly the paint, is eco-friendly, it's child-friendly, pet-friendly. It doesn't have added VOCs in it. We even use, if we're doing decoupage, for example, we're using napkins that have on them that they are recycled. For instead of using normal paper, we use rice paper. And the reason being that rice paper is made basically from rice. It's not made from wood. Also, we use brushes that are natural hair, or there's the synthetic brushes that can be used to maximize the potential of the paints we use. But mainly as Rescoli, we do a lot of upcycling and reloving of furniture, not only for us, but also for a lot of other people, and they can enjoy tomorrow. Well, the other part where Carlo is involved does a lot of other things, but that's not the purpose of this video today.